a lot of electricity that goes through here when you play, whether it's volleyball and you're here in the stands or if you're on the court and you're playing basketball. But you can feel the energy when you're in here, and it's a great place to be, whether you're on the court or you're in the student section.
You feel it when you're at Blake Arena. The lights are bright, everyone's ready to go, and it's our routine. It's where we do our best, so it's always good to play at Blake Arena.
My first impression with Blake was definitely overwhelming. I felt very small in a very big place. I had these larger-than-life seniors next to me who got to go on the court, show me how we acted in every point in play. And I eventually got very comfortable knowing that that's just business, everyday business, and I loved that attitude.
It almost just feels like it kind of exudes that maroon too, and like you step into Springfield College when you step into Blake Arena. There's no other place like it, and I think that's what makes it so special, is that you look in here and you're just thankful and grateful for what you have, because I would want to play in a different place. Looking at other places, it just felt right to be in here and feel that support.
Just to play here every night is really, really fun. I mean, you get to compete against the best, and you get to play in a great facility with the James Naismith logo under the hoop, and couldn't ask for it any better.
I think my favorite moment in Blake Arena was probably when we beat MIT earlier this year. Having a great team win and having everyone step up and show their role, and we really felt the vibe in Blake Arena that day.
The environment in Blake was tremendous. The crowd was what pushed us over the edge, without a doubt. Everybody was packed. There was no room around it, so you could tell that if this was the place to be, there was no other place people wanted to be on campus in Springfield, really. So it was great to have that support the whole time.
I just think that it's motivating to be in here. Maybe other colleges you might not feel that sense of like community, but in here it's like you're all almost like in it together, and that like you feel that support even from like the building itself, which I think is pretty special.